Okay, so tell those people who didn't come, tell them something.
You've really missed. Like I'm telling you, it's fun. Like I wish everybody.
If you can be here within the next 5 minutes, it will be lovely. It's an interesting program.
Okay, so my name is Kojo and welcome to my channel. In this particular episode of my channel, we are the biggest carnival in the whole of West Africa, Orange Friday in Cape Coast Central Region. And every year during the Ogwafetu Festival, we have this street carnival here in Cape Coast. And this year, 2025, it promises to be a big one where everybody from their hometown, Accra, Kumasi, everybody is here. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment and share this video. We are going to show you all the various beautiful things that are going to happen in this year's edition of the Orange Friday. My name is Kojo once again. Subscribe and share this video. Let's go. Okay, so when you look behind me, this is all people that are here for the event. A lot of people from different parts of Ghana. Some are from Cape Coast, some are from Kumasi. A whole lot of places are all here to enjoy. So this is the biggest carnival in the whole of West Africa at the moment. Orange Friday inside Cape Coast, Central Region of Ghana. Let's go. So in the course of the carnival, we found these two gentlemen. What are your names?
Ebenezer Kuban.
Ebenezer Kuban. Okay, is this your first time for Orange Friday?
No.
How many times?
6 times. Yeah.
6 times. Oh, that's nice. Your name?
Ebenezer Benji.
So you're all Ebenezer. Okay, is this your first time?
No.
How many times now?
6 times.
6 times. Enjoy yourself, Ebenezer. All right. So my name is Kojo. What's your name?
I'm Richie.
Pardon?
Richie.
Okay, so we have Richie here. Is this your first time?
Yeah, this is actually my first.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bolta, Angloga.
Okay, so this is Richard from Aloga, and he's also here to enjoy the Orange Carnival inside of Cape Coast. Thank you, Richard. Enjoy yourself. Okay, so we have Paul and Martin. They are all from Germany. Is this your first time for Orange Friday?
It's my first time Orange Friday, but it's been here in Ghana for 1 year.
Been in Ghana for 1 year. What are you doing in Ghana?
Volunteering service, teaching in school.
Okay, what school?
Abrahamadia. I was Abrahamadia.
Abrahamadia. Okay. So what are you doing here at this moment? What are you doing here?
We're just watching the festival because never seen it, and it's very nice. We love it.
What about you?
Yeah, it's my first time in Ghana and my first time this festival.
How many months have you been here?
No, it's my third day.
Third day?
Yeah.
Only 3 days?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
You brought in here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So enjoy yourself. Okay. So my name is Kojo. What are your names?
I'm Esther.
We have Esther here.
Blessing.
We have Blessing here. Okay, is this your first time to Orange Friday?
No, please.
How many times have you been here?
It's my second time.
Second time. When was the first time? Last year. Okay.
We almost like 5 times.
Okay. Okay, so these are all people who are here to enjoy the Orange Friday inside Cape Coast. Your name again?
Esther. Blessing.
Blessing. So we are all here to party for the Orange Friday. Let's go, boy. Thank you, man. So we have met these beautiful ladies from Accra, and they are going to tell us their experience of the Orange Friday in Cape Coast. So my name is Kojo. What's your name?
I'm Juliet.
Juliet, where are you from?
Accra.
Accra in Far East Legon, Cantonment.
Okay, Ashoman Estate.
Ashoman Estate. Okay, please, what's your name?
My name is Stella.
Stella from
Ega.
Ega. Onuga. Okay, so why are you in Cape Coast today? Why are you here?
Okay, it's quite an interesting event that is ongoing. This Orange Friday, and we've heard a lot about it. So we wanted to experience it, and it's been lovely. The culture experience, the new friends, a lot of people on the roadside here and there. And tomorrow there are other activities as well.
Okay, that's nice. Is this your first time?
Yes, first time it's experienced.
And do you regret coming or you come next year?
I will always come. I would love to be here all the time.
Thank you. Thank you. What's about you?
It's fun. It's a nice experience. Like they've made us see now Orange Day where the slave trade began, how our elders suffered to fight for our independence. And I think it's a nice thing everybody has to witness one day.
Okay, so tell those people who didn't come, tell them something.
You've really missed. Like I'm telling you, it's fun. Like I wish everybody...
If you can be here within the next 5 minutes, it will be lovely. It's an interesting program.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Okay, so my name is Kojo. What's your name?
Veronica.
Veronica from
Cape Coast.
Cape Coast, Himfa.
Bacano.
No, we're Himfa them.
Okay, actually, it has Augustus.
St. Augustine's area. Okay, hello, madam.
Yeah, hello. I'm from Anita.
Anita from
Cape Coast.
Cape Coast, Himfa, Bacano.
Bacano, Ejana Moa House.
Okay, hello, madam. Now where? Dinah, but also for
Bacano.
Ejana
House. Yeah.
Nice one. And this year, one festival.
Okay, right in. Since Monday, I was not here, so it's slow for me.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, but you're now where?
Manana, Friday, Manana, you have experience. But last 2 years was given.
Okay.
And last year too, but now the year experiencing Manana.
You're good in a year experience. Okay. But you're now where?
The same one now.
Okay. So you enjoy one water. All right. Thank you. All right. So what for them, Bojo?
Made the nuts.
Nuts. If you keep it here.
Pacho Dabi.
If you find a bay.
Me for Jokwa and back.
Jokwa Echo Kaku National Park. Okay. But you're now Wrestler. If you. Minutes when I fit Jokwa and obey. Okay. This year we have fashion day.
But I feel near bench. I feel near your better yet.
A fashion and all could note with Jawa, our bosses, not BBI, Basa.
Okay. This is our fun.
Oh, a good one. Okay, it's our way then.
Oh, I'm nice.
I bet actually.
Actually, yeah, but since I'm all day, I feel better. Yes.
What one say outside of it?
I that.
Okay, nice one. What's on our way? Ajwa. Okay, this year we program today.
Oh, bad.
Why a bad one? I didn't see last year, but new year this year we are.
Last year, we won't say the same way.
Oh, the same there. Last year, but now I can say yeah, this year. Last year, but no, yeah, this year.
Last year, we won Friday, fine. By this year, we won the year.
This year, okay, you want?
One by 5 is still okay. We won the year this year.
Okay, it's me and me go if you watch that this year festival on Sada on quarter more open. It's but when I'm funny, you could die jawli. It's here should not be the more me that's it. Okay, what's your fraud?
Mami ama.
Ese.
Mami ama.
Mami ama fike be ya.
Fike ba ya.
En fa ke be. Abra. Baby ya. Baby ya stadium one. Okay, but on house.
From Ekwa.
Ekwa bari. Ekwa Sewa. Yes, nice. Osu fike be ya.
Mo Abra.
Also Abra. Nti na ya Abra. Hello, Mary. Now so okay, my body. If you for keeper. Afiankafo. This. It's one program then.
Oh, Orkoye.
Ebe enya boy a.
Oh, that.
Enya bia. Enya momo 2 ai. Ebe enya boy a.
Oh, me a boy.
Enya boy, momo 2. Ebe enya bia.
Enya bio.
Momo 3. Me da sirapia. And this year fashion and
want some cry.
This year different
From last year.
This year we are dressing last year.
Cry.
How about now? And this last year and this year.
Last year. Almost last year's name were drums. Man, shed I and pray. Me mom and bum day. But you know, moon there, don't move man.
I want to solid you when we are. Say no, I feel and then I'm in TV. Okay, so we've joined the float and it's almost it's 6 o'clock now and the float is still ongoing and we are still following the procession all throughout Cape Coast. People are really enjoying themselves. I'm enjoying myself. I may not show you what I'm doing on camera, but I'm also enjoying myself. So keep following all the updates and all the events right here. My name is Kojo. Subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Thank you.